मेथी मटर मलाई।
One cup of chopped methi. Half cup of green fresh mattar. 2 sliced onion. 2 slitted green chilies and 1 chopped tomato. Half cup of fresh cream. Half tsp of turmeric powder. Salt as per taste. 1 tsp of red chili powder. 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste. 8 to 10 cashew nuts. 1 tsp of cumin seeds or zira and 1 black cardamom. Half tsp of garam masala and 2 tsps of coriander powder. Heat an utensil and add mattar. Add 1 cup of water and boil them. Heat kadai and add 2 tsps of oil. Add sliced onion. Add green chilies. Add cashew nuts. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add chopped tomato. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Mix and cook. Add red chili powder. Give a mix and cook until tomato is soft. Turn off flame and remove in a plate. Let it cool down. Add chopped methi leaves and roast it. Roast methi leaves on low flame. Methi is roasted well. Remove them. Take a jar and transfer fried onion and tomato mixture. Add little water. Grind it. Fine paste is ready. Heat kadai and add 2 to 3 tsps of oil. Add cumin seeds. Add black cardamom seeds. Add ginger garlic paste. Give a mix. Add onion and tomato mixture paste. Roast it nicely on low to medium flame. Mix and cook for 5 minutes. Add coriander and garam masala powder. Give a nice mix. When oil starts separating from masala, add roasted methi leaves. Add boiled mattar. Mix and cook on medium flame. Add pinch of sugar. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add fresh cream. Mix cream nicely. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame and turn off flame. Tasty and delicious Methi Mattar Malai is ready to serve. Do try and enjoy this recipe in this winter. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Explore and Cook.